Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to fix Minecraft. Launcher is not available in your account. If you want to fix it, it's easy. All you need to do first, just type here dates and time settings. Now enable set time automatically and then close this window. After that, type here Microsoft Store and right click on it and go to app settings. After that, click reset. You need to reset your Microsoft Store, and then just you need to log in again to your account, and after that restart your PC. And after restarting your PC, just try again and your problem must be fixed. But if that doesn't fix your problem, go here, go to Windows Update Settings, and then make sure to update your Windows, and that's it. I hope that can help you. Don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and see you in the next video.